But then there's the other side, which is the serpent and no dove. That is, the focus is on being right, discerning. I'm discernment. Well, that's good, but without love, you got truth without, love without truth is another way of looking at this. Love without truth isn't going to do it. And truth without love is deadly. There are, quote, discernment ministries, and they focus, hey, we're the right, everything is wrong. All they do is attack other ministries. Now, and good people they attack. Without love, without the Spirit, even if you were right, you're a Pharisee. There are those who judge, and all they do, and they think they're doing the will of God, and God is saying, this is not me. It says, what did Paul say? Who are you to judge another man's servant? Yeah, one thing about false doctrine, yes. One thing about sin, yes. But who are you to judge another man's servant? Let each be before the Lord. When I wrote the Harbinger, some of these organizations, they didn't know who I was. They saw, here's a new thing, we're going to go against it. And they went on the radio and said, I'm preaching, Jonathan Cahn is preaching that God is finished with the Jewish people. Hello, I'm one of them. I'd have to be preaching replacement theology that God replaced me with me. And it's not just organizations, it's churches and individuals. All they do is judge others for not being as correct as they are. That's not God.